Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tutorial. So how do you create an Amazon store account? Well, it's going to be really simple. So on Amazon store, you just basically need two things: your email and your first name. So click here on create account, put your name, mobile or email, doesn't really matter, because they're going to be sending a verification code that you're going to be confirming on your mobile or your email. So let's say this is your sample name, your email here, or your phone number. And in here, you're going to be creating a password for yourself. And remember the password, because it's really hard to retrieve once it's already set it in. So you got to re-enter the password here, the password that you've created in the first place. It's just asking you to basically letter by letter repeat the password just for security purposes. Yeah, this is it. Click on verify email and you're done. So thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.